guys. Hubby's just wondering what's the new Apple MacBook Pro. MacBook?
No, you. What's that called? Don't open it.
Mac Pro?
Mac Pro.
Is it the desktop?
Yeah, for Christmas.
Mm.
Right? So just, right?
So we'll have a look what it look like. It's released yesterday.
Yeah.
Mac Pro.
Mac Pro.
Desktop Mac Pro?
Yep, for Christmas. You gotta press
What Christmas?
Christmas present. You gotta press a button
Which button?
which says on top.
Is that the one? What? What is that? Is that a suitcase? Oh my god. What the heck?
And hun, and it's going to be spec'd out to the maximum. And when you spec it out, just quickly read what you put into it, alright? You just scroll down. Does it look sexy? Looks like a suitcase, doesn't it? That's it.
What's in that one?
Nothing, just keep
Storeroom?
going. Yeah.
28 power core.
Just go buy.
Buy.
Yeah. Just go
What
buy.
the heck? What's this? A suitcase?
Just go buy.
Hang on. 6.5. What is this?
Christmas present?
Hang on a minute. Whoa! There's two of them.
You talk through it. Yeah, go on.
6,000 bucks.
Go on.
6,000 bucks.
You gotta configure. Remember, give it the good specs. Just wait till it loads. Right. Right. You know, always try and build a good one. And say what you're giving it. Go on.
6,000, 1,000, 7,000 bucks
For what?
for 2.5 gigahertz.
Yeah,
What's
press
that
that.
mean?
Next.
$13,000. My God, you can buy a lot of MacBook Pro laptop on that one. And there's more. Mamma mia.
What's the maximum?
1.5 terabyte.
Yep. What?
37 bucks.
What's 37 bucks?
37. And there's more. Are you kidding me? For the graphics.
Right, just go maximum graphics cards.
My God. Storage.
Go maximum
Are
storage.
you kidding me? No way. No.
Just
Afterburner, 2,000 bucks. Wheels. What the? Mouse. 149 mouse. Keyboard. Final Cut Pro. Whoa. Wow. $53,000 for that computer.
So I'm not getting it.
No, not even 1,000 bucks. You might get the. I give you Christmas presents only the. Where is it? Oh well, there's a magic trackpad. That's all you can.
How much,
99 bucks.
all right, so
My goodness, that's a very expensive suitcase. That one. No way, guys. No, out of the budget. I can buy a house and lot in the Philippines. 5 house and lot. So guys, I don't think so. That's too much. Probably on big YouTubers. Thanks guys. Bye.